my stars.
Depressing corners.
I'm here with Chicken. We was playing with Winter, but he had to go, sadly. So, it's just us right now. Anyway, without further ado, I'm doing the beautiful
Let's go back into a depressing corner.
LGBTQ plus. I'm in that already, so I support it no matter what.
Me too.
Yes. Could one support it is amazing. And if you guys disagree, okay, nice. Your opinion, not mine. I don't always gotta listen to people. I'm a clown. No.
What are you?
You're going to be voted out. So
I'm assassin again.
I don't like clowns. Mo, get vote out to kill.
What's your name?
I'm you from last one. Well, to go with pink hair, I'm jumping.
You're Amara?
Yeah, where are you?
Betty?
What?
Who are you?
I'm Amara jumping.
That's Adora.
Oh, Dora. Wait, are you the one dancing then?
No, I'm Cody.
I don't know. Oh, you're a boy.
And Talia is the murderer.
How do you know?
Because it says, because I'm assassin.
Wait, who's the model again?
Natalia, the person right there.
Oh, wait, Alborn. Alborn. Oh, yeah, my goal is to behavioral. Must get voted out to kill.
Wait, what are you?
I'm a clown, and I hate clowns.
I knew it was Elena. I'm wrong. Who should I kill? Nobody, because I don't feel like it. Well, you need to be voted off until you can kill people,
No, why?
Well, I mean, now you want me to kill you.
Kill people after get. Why do I have to get voted off? I'm actually gonna ask Sush. Like, I'm
Where
just.
did you go? Oh, here's there.
Somewhere.
TY for muffin.
I want a muffin. I want a muffin, man.
And I have a muffin.
Can I have one? Oh, that was a so brutal one, and I can't even see it. That was a brutal. Oh. Why, ho? Just why? They always kill these humans. No. Oh. Whoa. Can I have a muffin? Detective.
Oh, we just lost a detective.
Wow. Can I have
Jojo, you sus.
Jane, Jojo. I'm gonna die. Jane is sus. Why do you have so much lipstick on you? I actually, who has muffin? Okay, can I say something? Just vote me out. I love this outfit. I'm not joking. Don't vote me out.
I save dead people with the...
Jay the medic then. Don't support him. He got a beautiful outfit on. I am Muffin Man. Can I have a muffin? I forgot how to spell muffin.
Wait, no, Natalia's a murderer.
Can I have a muffin? I know she's the murderer. I swear. Can I have a muffin? Then can I have a muffin? I know. Hi. Somebody just voted me like saying hi. Nice. I'm not voting Jane. I'm voting who? Jojo. Let's vote Jojo.
No, vote Natalia. It's literally Natalia.
I can't vote this child. No! No! Oh. I'm not okay right now. Y'all hold nothing at all. You can give me, but at night. No, you can only pick one. Wait.
No?
Weird. Flickle! I actually need people to like vote me out. How do I access again? How do I access?
I can kill you.
No, actually I have to. No, the goal is to actually be voted off.
Can I kill you? Can I kill you?
No, please, Ashley, don't kill me. I have to be voted off.
I just killed Kiriomi.
Oh my god.
Because I felt like it. My game crashed. No. Why me?
I have a muffin. Oh, I do not like this kind of stuff, you know? Worst stuff ever. They got chopped and left in a buck. What? What?
What? What happened?
What? You just got chopped and dragged to a... That's a beautiful day. I hate Mexico. I'm stuck. I just got a muffin.
It disconnected me. I am so mad.
No
Why?
chicken. No.
Raging.
I'll save this for you. I'll save the muffin for you. Don't worry. I'll give it to your ghost. I see your
Hi.
ghost. No, your ghost in the corner, so I gotta give it to the corner.
When this
They're voting me. Yes. To vote. I think JoJo. I think myself.
I think it's myself too.
You know what? I'm actually nobody voted me off. I'm not sus for once. I love me some muffins.
The one time you want to be voted off, you don't get voted off.
Thank you for the muffin. Num 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 num. No problem. I voted for JoJo. Now I'm joking. La 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 la. Num 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 num. I actually like staying close to humans because I get creeped. I get so scared in this one map.
I get scared because I am a coward.
Will I die? I would witch. What? What does that mean?
Oh, they were a witch? That means they were evil.
So, I don't know what that means. Kobe died. Lucy just said you died. You got tossed into the mud. What? We couldn't find your journal. Roswell died from another mysterious thing. Jojo, whoa. Joe. Jojo.
See you off. I'm gonna talk.
Okay, chicken. Okay, so chicken is gone now. I guess you're just gonna watch me eat a muffin. Let me just eat this muffin. Yummy. Say it with me. Say it with me. And one got kicked. Oh my. Where are these people in the game? I don't see them, any of them. Where is everybody? Did they go to the creepy forest? No, I'm not going down there. Num. I'm like just totally too cute to get voted out. And his soul will live up to the spirits. Again. Me just out cute and innocent, even though I'm not. I'm a clown, but I can't do anything. Ooh, face. Ooh, ew. Oh, another victim tossed into the mud. I don't know where everybody else is. Where is everybody? Gotta eat this yummy muffin, you know? That was just beautiful. I'm a clown. I'm too innocent and cute. Totally. Yeah. Close. Okay, well, I gotta go find Chicken wherever she spawned. Oh, wait, I forgot she got disconnected. Okay, well, since I can't really start another game without her, I guess I can end the video. I mean, this video was awesome. So, you know, we can just end it right here. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'm so sorry for the notifications. I'll try to fix them next time. But until then, bye guys.